Mataji, is Lakshmi Mataji on the call?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, can you start sharing screen?
Ishvara Kusha. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, kids.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Mother, can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji, we can hear you. Perfect, Mataji. I can see the screen also.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Radhe Radhe. Hare Krishna.
Radhe Radhe. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, where is this Facebook?
Mataji, Facebook Live is going on.
Oh, it's live already. All right. Hare Krishna, kids. Welcome to Damodar Summer Camp, Day 2.
Hare Krishna.
I'm sharing my screen and let us get started with our today's class. Okay, so to begin with our class today, we are going to recite the Hare Krishna mantra for about a minute. Yeah, you all are unmuted, so let us recite the Muhammad. All right, kids. Right, so today we're going to talk about the letter B. We did letter A yesterday, and today's letter is letter B. And we would be talking about Lord Balram today.
Mataji, can you mute everyone now?
Yeah, muted, Mataji. Everybody is muted.
Letter B, which is, and we would be picking up the topic Lord Balram today, as we did letter A yesterday. By the end of this story, I do not know if you have already gathered any item from your home, starting with letter B. If not, we will give you a little bit of time towards the end of this, this story. But if you have it, just keep it ready and we will look at it towards the end of the class, end of the story, basically. So let's get started. We are talking about Lord Balram today. And then, so who was Lord Balram, first of all? Lord Balram was the seventh son of Devaki. Devaki was also the mother of Lord Krishna, right? And then Lord Balram is also, he's always assisting Lord Krishna in his transcendental pastimes. And he was nobody, but he was kind of an extension to Lord Krishna himself. And that is the reason why whenever Krishna appeared in this material world, Lord Balram always was there with him. So for example, when Krishna was here, Lord Balram was here. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, Nityanand Prabhu was there with him. And similarly, when Lord Rama came, he came as Lakshman with him. So he was always there to help and support and assist Krishna with his all transcendental pastimes. Lord Balram is also considered to be the source of entire spiritual world, and that is why he is known as the Adi Guru. Who is the Adi Guru? Adi Guru is nobody but the original spiritual master, right? From who's basically the source to deliver the spiritual messages to everybody, which we can consider him as the the greatest spiritual master. So that is the kind of position Balram had in the life of Lord Krishna. So that was a little bit of background about Balram. Now let's talk about how Balram was born. As I mentioned a couple of minutes back, that Lord Balram was the seventh son of Devaki. So we know that Devaki was captured by his own brother Kansa, and she was put behind the bars. Why? Because Kansa knew that the eighth born of Devaki is going to kill him. He was a demon, right? He had the demonic nature. So he was going to be killed by the eighth son of Devaki. So he put her behind the bars. Okay. So he wanted to make sure that any kid that is born from Devaki, he just kills them. So he did not want to take any chance. So he was killing all the sons, all the kids of Devaki. When the seventh kid was born, who was Baladev or Balram, Lord Balram, when he was already there in Devaki's womb, Devaki knew that this child is not an ordinary child. She could realize that, and she was very, very insecure about the child, because she knew that the moment Kansa would know about it, he's going to try to kill the baby, right? The way he was killing all her other children. Yeah. But Kansa also, okay, look at this picture. So Kansa also got to know about this, that the seventh child of Devaki is not an ordinary child. And he started suspecting that there is a possibility that it is not the eighth child who is going to kill me. There is a possibility that the seventh child is going to kill me. So he got very suspicious and he wanted to make arrangements to kill that child as well. Okay, all that was happening. Krishna knew it all along, right? Because he's the Lord, he knows everything. So he used his internal potency and then asked his internal potency that to transfer this unborn child of Devaki from her womb to another person's womb, who was another wife of Vasudev, and she used to live at that time in Gokul with Nanda Maharaj. So she was living in their home because she was also running away from Kansa, right? She was also scared of Kansa. She used to live there. So Krishna made this kind of arrangement that the baby who was still in Devaki's womb was transferred. So Balram was transferred from her womb to Vasudev's another wife who was to live in Gokul. So this is the kind of arrangement was made, and with that kind of arrangement, Balram was born in Gokul in the protection of Nand Maharaj. So he was safe. So this was a story about how Balram was born. Now, during his naming ceremony, uh, their home priest, we usually have one home priest, right, who does all the activities. We want to do any kind of puja or ritual, they come and help us, right? So they had one at that time, and he gave Balram the name of Balaram. So there's a story behind Balaram name as well. So Bal simply means strength. That means somebody who's really powerful. And Ram means who gives pleasure to everybody. So keeps everybody happy around him. And that is the reason why he gave this name to Balaram, because he knew that Balaram is one of the most powerful person, or the Lord, with immense strength in him. And at the same time, he's going to take care of everybody around him. We just talked about it, right? That he was always with Krishna, always, always. So that's the kind of nature he had. So he was a very, very good mix of strength and also, giving like loving, a very affectionate and caring kind of personality. And that is why the Guru gave Balram name to him. Oh yeah, this picture, I just put this picture because I wanted to show how powerful Balram was. So if you look at this, how he's swirling these bulls around, there's a story behind it too. But today I'm going to take another story, but this picture just shows how powerful he was. Now talking about Krishna and Balram, they were brothers, but they were best pals as well. They were always together. Even when Krishna would take the cows to the fields, Balram would always accompany him. He would never leave the brother alone. He would always be there with him. And then when Balram would get tired sometimes, Krishna, who's the personality of God himself, right? He would press his feet to give him comfort. Krishna can do that for anyone who is the greatest devotee of him, and we know that, right? So Krishna used to do that for Balram. Awesome. So that was all about a little bit background about Balram. Just wanted to talk about how he was born, what was his relationship with Krishna and his, other people around him. But let's talk about today's story. And we're going to talk about the demon Pralambasura's destruction today. So Pralambasura was, as the name itself says, Pralambasura. He's an asur, that means a demon. So he was a demon who, one of the times when Krishna, Balram, and other cowherd boys were all playing in one of the field, they all were having fun, good time. This demon Pralambasura joined them there. He disguised himself as one of the cowherd boy, and he joined there so that nobody could know that he's there. But Krishna, he's the personality of Godhead. He knew it. He felt that, there is a demon who joined us in the form of a cowherd boy, and he's definitely going to do some kind of harm. Knowing that, Krishna threw an idea that we all should do the wrestling now, and the team who's going to win, the team who's going to lose is going to carry the team who is winning on their shoulders. So you can see that in the picture. That is what is happening. So they started playing Krishna's team and Balram's team. We know Balram is Balaram, the one who has a lot of strength. So his team actually won this game. And then Krishna's team, Krishna's team also had Pralambasura in it. They had to carry the winning team on their shoulder. They started doing it, they started singing, they started playing, they started enjoying the nature around them while they started walking. Pralambasura knew that there is no way he can harm the Lord, right? By the time he realized that he cannot harm Krishna in any ways, but he said, okay, but I can harm Balram, if not Krishna. He did not knew what Balram is capable of. Whatever, so he thought that, okay, let me harm Balaram. So he lifted Balram on his shoulder, as we can see in this picture, and they all started walking. While they were walking and they were enjoying and all, he knew that people are other cowherd boys are enjoying, everybody's busy, nobody would see me, so he started taking Balram on a different path altogether where there's nobody there to watch them. And then when they were isolated in one place, he started growing bigger and bigger in size. His sharp teeth started coming out, and he could even throw fire from his mouth. He was gigantic. And he started doing that, and he was trying to kill Balram with his strength. He didn't realize that Balram himself is equally powerful. What Balram did is he just gave a good punch on his face like this, and then with that punch, he just died immediately. He fell on the ground and he just died. See, that powerful Balram was. Just punch of his could kill such a huge demon. So you can see that in this picture, how huge the demon was. And, you know, Balram just took care of him. When Balram did that, Krishna and all other cowherd boys were so joyous about that he killed the demon, and they were hugging him and they were clapping for him and they were singing and they were enjoying. All right, kids, this is where we end the story today. That was all about Balram. I'm going to quickly talk about the moral of the story before we ask you to gather your stuff. So the moral of today's story is God is always watching our thoughts and activities. So we may think something and we may do something else that doesn't work, right? Because God is very powerful. He would know what we are thinking, what we are trying to do. We are trying to do harm to somebody, or we are trying to cheat, or we are trying to play bad. You know, he can watch us. He can even know what we are thinking. So it is extremely important that we always think right. We never think negative. We do not want to do anything wrong for anyone, as long as we are thinking in the direction of spiritual, as long as we are thinking to connect with Krishna. He's there to help us. He will take care of everything. So this is what we have to think of. Always think positive. Always try the ways to connect with Krishna. It is just the thought in our minds that is going to help us connect with him, and he will take care of everything. We don't have to worry about anything. With that, we end the story today. And then, okay, this is the time I would like to look at what did you bring from your home, which starts with letter B. All right, I can watch you all on the video. If you want to show me on your video, I can see it.
Can you stop this?
Kids, you can also ping in the chat what you have if you want to share more information. Oh, wow. Okay, Belle, Balram, awesome. Beautiful. Bhagavad Gita, Rohini, very nice. Panda, what do you have? Okay, Parth has a ball and a book. Very nice. Aradhya, book, very nice. Oh, Daksh, very nice. Panda has Bhagavad Gita and Balram. Awesome, Brenda. Okay, Kinship has a bucket. Very nice, Kinship. And who else? Okay, I've seen your book. Raghav, what do you have? And has Balram. Very nice. Satvik has what do you have? Satvik has what? What is that? Oh, you have a block. Very nice. Then, oh, what is that? Okay, very nice. Good job. Well done. Yoshi, what are you showing? Ball pen.
Basketball.
Basketball, balloon, ball pen. Okay. Nehit has a ball. Very nice. Vansh has a ball too. Myra, what do you have? What do you have in that balloon? Balloon, yes, good.
Beats.
Okay, beats, yes. Oh, very nice, beats. So kids have board games, bricks, baby, bottle. And we found 14 items in the balloon, butter, bumblebee. That is pretty awesome. It's very nice. I can't believe that in such a short time you grabbed so many things. Well done, kids.
It's going to be
Beans. Okay, very nice. Oh, right, kids. Good job. Good job. I could see every one of you. Very well done. All right, kids. I was see everyone. Wonderful, and thank you for sharing
I said mute.
on the chat as well. I'm able to read that too. Oh, baby, yes, baby. Very well done. All right, kids. So now, based on what we have learned so far about Lord Balram, or anything else, or the coming home, do you want to share any other information about that, or you want to ask anything? You can raise your hands and I can ask you directly. Okay, Monish. Monish, you want to share something? Monish, you want to share something?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, a book and a bell. And
Book and a bell. Bumblebee. Oh, very nice. Very nice. What do you do?
want to go?
What do you do with the bell?
Make a noise.
You make a noise. Why? Why do you want to make noise with the bell? You can speak also.
For Krishna.
Ah, well done. Yeah, good job. Good job. Anybody else wants to share anything else?
Me.
Okay, oh, I see quite a few hands. Okay, Nirvi, what do you want to share?
Mukunda.
Nirvi, kids, let's Nirvi speak first.
Mr. Bajra. This is a heart. Mr. Bajra.
Okay, Risha, do you want to share something?
Look, this is a block and this is a brick.
Brick and what else? Brick and the book? Oh, that's very cute.
And this is blue.
Oh, wow. You have good collection. Very nice.
Mr. Bajra.
Okay, yes, Subhadra.
I have a question. We put flowers for Krishna.
Oh, wow. Flowers for Krishna. Does that start with B? What flower starts with B? Subhadra?
Daisy.
That's fine. Krishna likes flowers. And you said it right. I mean, we're going to talk about flowers today. So you said it right. Good. Thank you, Subhadra, for sharing that. Anything else you want to talk about?
Now.
Okay, thank you.
Please.
Keshav, do you want to share anything?
Yeah.
Okay, Keshav, yes. What do you want to share?
I try.
Keshav, kids, let's let Keshav speak. Keshav, yes. Keshav, you want to repeat it? I couldn't hear anything.
Mataji, could I try? Mukunda, you alarm hit then I gave the orange juice to Nana. Alarm hit that
Okay,
Mukunda,
Mukunda, go ahead.
Nana.
Batman.
This is Bhagavad
Jaya Balram. And
Mataji. Mataji.
yes.
This is Bhagavad Gita. Me and my dad read the Bhagavad Gita in the night.
Okay, Risha, do you want to talk about it?
Garima.
And Garima, okay? So Risha, do you want to share?
Mataji.
Garima, what do you want to share? Garima, what do you want to share? Satvik. Satvik, what is that in your hand? Is that Lord Balram? Very nice. Well done. That's very nice, Satvik. Okay, I see a lot of hands raised. Anybody else wants to share anything else?
Boy, I'm a boy.
All right, kids. Thank you. Thank you for sharing all that information. I very much enjoyed it. Now with that,
You forgot me. Mataji, can I show you my Karura?
yeah, you can show me. Yes, show me.
Ball.
Who's speaking? Mukunda, yes, Mukunda, show. What do you want to show? And what do you want?
Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Okay. That's very nice.
Can I show you my butter now?
Yeah, show. Showing Mukunda.
Mataji, this is Bhagavad Gita. Me and my dad read the Bhagavad Gita in the night.
Oh, that's a very good information. You read Bhagavad Gita in the night. You and your dad is very good. Good job.
Mataji,
That's a very good habit.
Mataji.
Oh, butter. Yeah, I see your butter now. And I see the book as well. And beans too. Okay.
Mataji.
Very nice.
Mataji.
Pranav and Saman. Who is speaking now?
I'm speaking. It's Tanvi.
Okay, Tanvi, tell me.
Ball. B is for ball.
Tanvik, I see. Okay, what do you have in your hand, Tanvik?
I have a ball.
You have a ball?
Straw metal straw. Careful.
Okay, you have a book as well. Very nice.
Krishna Mataji.
Lot of items. Okay, you have Bhagavad Gita. Chadya, very nice. Very nice. All right. Thank you, kids, for sharing all that information. Great job. With that, we will just move on to the next part of our today's class, which is podcast. And Anjana Gopika Mataji is coming to you.
Yeah, can you mute
Gopika is not
everyone,
inside.
Mataji? Can you mute now?
इसको चेंज करो ये चेंज करो
Mataji, can you hear me?
Hear you. Little
Can you
bit
hear me, Mataji?
I'm going to mute everyone and then I'm going to.
Yes, I did that. So Mataji, Anjana Gopika Mataji, shloka for you. I just muted everyone.
Indu Mataji, can you unmute in my Anjana Gopika Devidasi?
Oh, okay.
Okay, you unmuted.
Okay. One second.
That's unmuted, Mataji.
Can everyone hear me? Yes?
Yes.
And everyone can see the sloka?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, I saw you were showing the Bhagavad Gita. What Bhagavad Gita comes from? Which letter? B. Yes? Bhagavad Gita comes from letter B. Yeah. So much for showing so many items. You found so many items. It was so amazing. Yeah, today we will also learn B from Bhagavad Gita and from Bhagavad Gita one sloka, okay? You all are muted. You can repeat after me. No need to unmute. You can yourself recite after me, okay? Here, Patram means a leaf.
Mataji,
Patra means
Yeah, this Bhagavad Gita sloka is from 9.26. Puspam means flower. You don't need to repeat after me. Okay, Mataji, can you mute? Puspam means flower. Phalam means
You can't unmute. Antoyam means water. And Phala means lotus.
Mataji, are you able to unmute yourself? Yeah.
Yes. Now I can.
Mataji, can you
unmute
please?
myself.
Phala means
We can see your laptop.
Yeah, once. Okay, Mataji. Yeah. Now?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Sorry. Thank you, kids. Yes. Yeah means whoever. Oh, yes. No. Yes. Me means unto me. Bhaktya means with devotion. Prayasyati means offer. Tat, that. Aham, I. Bhakti upartam means offered in devotion. Asnami, accept. Prayat atmana means from one in pure consciousness. Today we will offer to Krishna. We'll make the craft also. See, if one offers me with love and devotion, there he says, Krishna says love and devotion. Yes, how we love our parents, we love our sister. Yes, we love our daddy, we love our mommy, we love our grandparents. Like that, Krishna is telling, if you love me, love and devotion, if you offer me, leave. See, Krishna is asking, Can you offer me leaves? Krishna is asking. Can you offer me flower? How many you offer? Can you raise your hand? Only raise your hand. Oh my God, I saw 5 participants. Okay, you offer. You can also write there. You can also write there what you gonna offer to Krishna. Okay, if somebody can write. Otherwise, that's fine. You can just raise. Oh my God, Krishna is asking, can you? Yeah, can you offer flower? Can you offer fruit? Can you offer water? Krishna is asking,
Already
see?
offered flower.
Oh, you already offer. Yeah, I know that you all are offering. You all love Krishna. Can you unmute Mataji to everyone?
offered boga.
Yeah. All offer. Yeah. Mataji. Can mute. Mataji can mute to everyone.
Stop.
You know that you all offer. Yeah. You all offered. I know that. Yeah, if someone offers me with love and devotion, Krishna is telling, can you offer me like water? I will accept. You know, Krishna is telling, I will accept. If God is asking, if somebody, if you offered something, I'll accept. Yes, God is asking, we have to offer. Just like when our daddy says something, offer
She's
me.
my favorite. She
Can
loves
you
for
mute
love.
Mataji to everyone? Yeah, fine. Thank you all the kids for favoring. All kids, you have to mute yourself, okay? And teacher will be happy. Krishna will be happy, okay? Okay, you can repeat after me. Here, this sloka is Krishna is telling, if you offer me something with love and devotion, the leaf, flower, fruit, water, I'm gonna accept. Krishna is asking. And then you can also send your picture. What do you offer every day in the our group? Okay. Okay, you can repeat after me. Patram. No need to unmute. Just mute Mataji. They will recite themselves. Patram. Not. 1 second. Unmute. Can you unmute? Patram puspam phalam toyam.
Patram pushpam phalam toyam.
Puspam phalam toyam.
Patram pushpam phalam
Yo me bhaktya prayasyati.
Yo me bhaktya prayachati.
Yo me bhaktya prayasyati.
Yo me bhaktya prayachati.
Tadaham bhaktya uparatam.
Tataham uparatam.
Tadaham bhaktya uparatam. Tadam bhaktya uparatam.
Tada bhakti upatram. Pada
Okay, tadam bhaktya uparatam.
tada param. Tada bhaktya uparatam.
Asnami prayat manaha. Prayatatma manaha.
Pratatmana.
Prayatatmanaha.
Prayatatmana.
Asnami prayatatmanaha.
Asan prayatatmana. Asnami.
Okay, one time more we do the sloka. 1 second. Patram puspam phalam toyam.
Patram pushpam phalam toyam.
Yo me bhaktya prayasyati. Tadam bhaktya uparatam. Asnami prayatat manah. Asnami prayatat manah. Okay, we will send this audio in the group. After that, if you don't know the sloka, you hear and practice, you can send your audio, okay? Also, we'll break the room later on, and also if anybody knows the sloka, they can share the sloka also. Now, we will go to our next part. This is craft. Okay. Yeah, you all have this, how many color paper?
I don't have color paper.
Any paper is fine, even white paper is fine.
Okay. I have color paper.
Yeah. How many of you have paper? Raise your hand. Okay, you can raise your hand. Do you have a paper?
Yes.
Okay. Any color
Yes,
is
we do.
fine. No. And any color is fine. I have different colors. See, you want purple. Okay, don't choose. Okay, you can choose any color and cut one round, big round. Okay. Can you do that? When it is ready.
I made it.
Yes, if small kids they cannot follow, parents can help them. Can cut this kind of big round. When you yeah, when you do that, and then you can raise your hand. Also, you can show your picture. I can see one by one.
Can you repeat that again, please?
What do you want?
Can you repeat that again? I couldn't hear you properly.
Yeah.
Can you repeat it, please?
Yeah, this if you have a color paper, you can use color paper. Otherwise white paper is fine. Just make a round circle.
I did.
Okay. Okay, you can raise your hand, whoever finished, okay? Just raise your hand.
I am done. I'm done.
Mataji, we have to cut it in a circle.
Yes, yes.
I'm done.
Yeah, good. Okay. Mataji, can they mute? Can you mute to everyone and they can raise their hand? Raise their, yeah, Kavis is.
They can unmute by themselves.
No need to. I will say, repeat their name, Mataji, whoever finished here. Chitra finished. Monish finished. Ridhika finished. I can see everyone, okay?
Please unmute yourself, Mataji.
Yeah, yes, Mataji. Yeah, just raise your hand. I 5 participants again raise their hand. Tanmay finished. Yeah. I finished. Tanvi finished. Okay. Everyone finished? Yeah, Nirvi finished. Just yeah, Satvik finished. I can see, okay, everyone. You don't need to unmute. Just raise your hand. Kesav and Mahajan finished. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, I can see everyone. You are raising your hand. Just raise your hand after finishing, after cutting big round. This is a plate for Krishna. You can make another one. No, yeah, I will make. Yeah. Yeah, any color. Yeah, any color is fine. Any color. Anya's finished. Yeah. Raghav finished. I can wait for some time. We have to go. Yes. Can parents help to the kids so they can finish fast? Small kids, if they cannot do. Yeah. Small kids, if they cannot do, can parents help them? Tustita finish. Yeah, Shreyas finished. Yeah, I am seeing everyone's almost there. You are seeing, yes. It is a hard step. Others is a little okay. Yeah, Ridika, I'll go through all the kids who is finishing. Yeah, Vidi finished. I'm waiting for some time so you can all finish making the big plate for Krishna. Okay. Are you still doing? Whoever doing, please let me know. You raise your hand.
Pink paper. Pink paper.
Yeah, Sanvika, Nirvan, they finished. Okay. I hope it's time. We can go to the next step. So already I gave the almost 5 minutes for this is little hard thing. Okay, next step. Okay, you can all go. If you have a yellow paper because we are using. Yeah, we have yellow paper. Yeah, yellow paper. Did you make this small two line dot, you know, 1 and 2, a straight line, a small straight line. We are making banana and we are offering to Krishna. Yeah, Pranav, Samanyu. I see so many kids are raising. Again, you can raise the hand, okay? Whoever finished. Did you all finished? If you don't finish also today, we'll send every step in the group. You can make this craft. Whoever didn't get chance, if you are not fast, we'll send every step in the group and then you can send the craft later on also. Okay. We have to finish our class on time. Yeah, this 2 dot I think you did. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Yeah, you can raise your hand if anybody is. Did you do it? Okay, Janvi finished. Okay, I will go in Janvi's race. Janvi finished her. Yeah, go ahead. This moving things is coming again. Yeah. 1 second, Mother. Slideshow I'll do in that one. That. Yeah. Can you? Oh, Janvi finished. Okay. You all finished. Okay, I will go through Janvi's race. And our parents can help under at 4. Yeah, for 12 participants they finished. Okay, you make this banana. Yes, next step. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see. After that, small here 5. There is you can make a small curve. When banana we are making, we have that black things. Yes. Yeah, that one. You made. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this one little, yeah, make that one, yeah. Yes, that next is banana. You can, the 6 and up top part, you just join. This is banana. Thank you. Thank you. You can cut later on, okay? You can cut later on. And then we can have a plate and we offer. Okay, now we are making a flower. I am going to another. Yes. Flower. Yeah, make a round. I hope everyone is following. Flower. This just you make a round. And next two, when you are doing next one, see, I don't know, this come is always in my. See, you can, oh, 1 second. Yeah, you can make a one line, and after that you can add this flower. You can add. Yes, you can make a flower. Then you can make this. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'm waiting for everyone, but we have a very less time. Yeah, I hope you made this flower. Yes. Okay. Now is the leaves. Now is the leaves. Yeah, leaves you can make 2 line, straight line first. 1 and 2. See, straight line. Everyone can see us. Yeah. Good. Then we finish. You can make a straight line in the green. If you have a green paper, you can do in green paper. And next one, you can see here little the disturbance is coming. That's fine. You just 1 and 2, and then you can add 3 part like leaves. How you make? Parents can help for small kids under 5. Yeah, Janavi did. And next one is just another 4. Next part also you can join. See, you can join. Yeah. And then we are making these leaves. I hope you are all following. We'll send this one by one in the group also. Yeah, down. Yeah, then we finish making leaves. Then this is a glass one. We are offering leaves, banana, water, this one flower and water. You make a 2 line, just line 2. See, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah, 1 and 2 is a little disturbing, but you can see, I know that. And it 3, 4. This 1 and 2, again you can see 3 and 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a line. It's a cup. And next one, see, this is, okay, I will do this. It's a little disturbing. Yeah. Yes, you can see the cups. Yes. Yeah. This is a corpse. One second, something happened to my. Yeah, corpse. I hope this one. Yeah, corpse. Yeah.
Mataji, I'm sharing the screen now.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, nice. Can you do next, Mataji? Corpse. Yeah, corpse. Yeah, little down you can make U kind of shape, okay, to making corpse. And then see next one, water, Mataji. Yeah. After you making the U shape, there is a water. You can just make a one line 3 and 4. See in the line. Yeah, good job. Now when you Mataji, next slide. Yeah, this cup. After making you plate, you can offer water. You can do later on, okay, and send in the group. It's difficult, maybe. If you can do, you can do. It's fine. But if you cannot do, yeah, Mataji is showing. If you have any questions, they can put also in the group. Plate. Yeah, you don't need to cut now and then later on. If you have one Krishna picture, you can do that. Yeah, like that. You can send me in the picture, okay? Now we are breaking the room. You may go different room. Mataji, all the Mataji will be there. You can recite one time Sloka and whatever you made in the group, you can show that also, okay? Yeah, that Sloka will, you can recite. Whoever can recite, or Mataji can also help. Yes. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. They moved to different rooms, Mataji.
Yes. And then we will end the call after that. You can join tomorrow. You can show your craft. You can get all the information in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, kids, for cooperating. Yes, Mataji. Okay, I can see 19 participants here. Okay. Can you hear me? 1 second. I am not hearing. Maybe I have to unmute all of you, okay?
Yeah, Mataji, you'll have to unmute.
Okay.
फ्लावर बनाया था माताजी ने और यहाँ पे ये फोटो चिपका है.
Okay, I can see everyone. Can you tell me everyone's name one by one?
My name.
Yeah, I see. 1 second. I have to. Yeah, Mataji. Yeah. Yes.
Yashov.
Kesav. Thank you. Who is there? Tanya is there. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Aradhya.
Aradhya. Thank you, Aradhya, for joining. Yesterday also you were with me, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody want to go and see, recite the sloka? Patram puspam phalam toyam. I will just share in my Damodar.
Yes, I would want to.
Yeah. You want to share the sloka? I will just open the sloka first, okay? Okay. Who want to go and share the sloka?
Me.
Are you seeing the sloka? Okay.
No.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, you can recite if anybody know.
Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayasati tataham bhakti uparitam tasmai prayadatmana.
Good job. Who want to go next? If you don't know the sloka, 1 second. My sharing window is not.
You know sloka, right? That's it. I want to say my.
Go ahead.
What else is what we find? What?
Okay, you all can repeat after me, okay? If you don't know, let's say Patram puspam phalam toyam
Patra Pushpa Toyam.
Patram puspam phalam toyam.
Patra Pushpa Toyam.
Yo me bhakta prayachyati.
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 Tadaham bhaktya uparatam.
Tadaham bhakti uparitam.
Tadam bhaktya uparitam.
Tadaham bhakti uparitam.
Asnami prayatatmanaha.
Asmai paratatmanam.
Asnami prayatatmanaha.
Asmai paratatmanam.
Patram puspam phalam toyam.
Patram pushpam phalam toyam.
Yo me bhakta prayachyati.
Me bhakta prayachyati.
Tadam bhakta uparitam.
Tadaham bhakti uparitam.
Asnami prayatatmanaha.
Tasmai prayatatmanam.
Asnami prayatatmanaha.
Tasmai prayatatmanam.
We will share in the group. Anybody want to share this sloka? Do you want to share anybody?
Yes.
Who want to share?
Me.
What is your name?
Aradhya.
Aradha, you did, yes?
Yes.
Yes, it's okay. You already did. Anybody who didn't get chance, they can go and do.
No, I already did. No. Yes, I did.
Okay, and you can show me your this one. You can show me your 1 second craft. You can show me your craft. Yeah. How much you finished today, craft? How much you finished? Can you show me your craft?
Yes, banana and this.
Okay, yeah, very nice. Can somebody want share also to me? Okay, Janvi, you can finish later on and you can share in the group, okay? You all can share, make the craft and share in the group, okay?
Okay.
In the Damodar camp group, you all can share your item, whatever item you find, you can also share that, make a picture, you practice the sloka, you also can share that, okay?
Okay.
You can share. Can you show me other things? What did you make? What you all make? Show me. I see Aradhya is showing something. What do you make, Aradhya?
There's a flower. There's
Yeah, I saw Krishna picture. What is her name? I don't know. Yeah, Chitra, I saw her. She's making something. And then Arisa is making something. Yeah, Diksha. Oh my God, it's very nice. Yeah, I see flower. Everything you did so fast. Yeah. Yes, you all are doing. Yes. I saw Arjun also. Arjun, Saket, Kavis, Anirudh. Yeah, Anirudh also. Kavis, your picture is not there. Can you show your picture also? Yes, everybody is doing so nicely. I see Diksha. Your name is Diksha. Can you unmute? I'll unmute. Okay. Your yeah, Diksha. Tell me, what did you make?
I'm since I didn't have room on my plate, I just put the glass here.
Yes, nice. White paper you can color and send in the picture, okay? In the group. Whatever is okay, white paper also, but you color and send, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, anybody want to say anything? Do you like the class? Do you like the craft?
Yes.
Do you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So you can send you everything in the group. Now we can end the call. 1 second, we can paying our obeisances to the Lord. And then, did you see? Did you see? Anybody know this sloka? Panchakalpa?
Yes.
If you know, you can repeat after me, okay? I will share this one. Say, Panchakalpa, Panchakalpa, Tarubesya,
Picture.
Kripa Sindubhya eva cha,
Passing you river. Picture.
Patitanam pavanebhyo,
Patitanam pavanebhyo.
Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Jai, you all can leave now. We can Jai. Yeah, thank you all for joining. Please join tomorrow. Okay, we'll have different. And tomorrow we have fire cooking. Means fireless cooking. This, see how nice. Yeah, tomorrow we have fireless cooking. And anybody have anything to share? You can show me if anybody didn't get chance to show. Yeah, Mataji is there. We can end the call. I think Mataji, everything is finished. I am just waiting. If you are
Yeah,
there.
Mataji, we just
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah.
Did you finish the prayers as well, Mataji?
Yes, yes. Everything is finished.
Okay, all right, kids. So thank you so much for joining today. I'm sure you guys had fun, and do join class tomorrow again. We have a power packed class for tomorrow too, and post your recordings and all the artwork in the. Like to see that. So we'll see you tomorrow. Hare Krishna, kids.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. These are and this.
Thank you. Jai.